first one is this design.
Is that you?
Yeah, that's me. And whenever you fly, you'll be adding subscribers to my channel. Okay, hold on. Okay, wait, there's more.
网红阿滴英文提出想改造空军一号，逗得小英总统哈哈大笑。
How about if we turn the whole jet into a bubble tea? So
that's me.
Yeah, that's you. Turning the whole plane into like a Xiaoying plane.
It's creative, it's great, but it's not my personal aircraft. It's the aircraft for the president.
Oh, it's okay.
Of the ROC.
So you can in no way alternate the exterior of the plane.
I don't think the presidential power goes that far.
全英文访谈，空军一号首度有网红开箱，当然还是要聊些正经事。
This is only for domestic flights.
Oh, okay. So you only fly within Taiwan?
Yes, that's right. Or to the offshore islands.
So what do you usually do on Air Force One?
Reading newspapers.
Oh, okay.
Prepare for my speeches or talks I will have to deliver.
So what do you do on the plane to relax?
Or just fall asleep.
Just fall asleep on the chair? Do you recline the chair so that you flat up?
I can.
In any position?
In any position.
流利的英语让网友纷纷在影片下留言大赞，总统英文真的好好哦，听英文说英文真的是种享受。但最后阿滴神来一笔。
I want you to say 我刚下飞机 to the camera. Okay, so on the count of three. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
我刚下飞机。
What's up? Okay, 我可以让总统讲出来，这个真的是，我真的非常开心，我是在英语的国家。
空军一号大公开，不再离人民这么遥远。全英文和网红访谈，不但展现小英优势，也再次表现幽默的一面。三立新闻黄大风中会期待不到。